let's talk about Aschelminthes. What are Aschelminthes? Aschelminthes are the type of organism. Let's divide them. Aschel means round and Minthes means worm. Or Aschelminthes, we know what helminthes means, right? So Axel means round and helminthes means worm. Now let's begin with the dive in how their structure is. The structure is pretty common. It is round, cylindrical, thread-like, and they are called as roundworms. And their body does not have any type of segmentation on it, but it is covered with a tough cuticle. And most of these organisms are endoparasite, but few are free livings as well. The endoparasites go into our intestine and they breed over there and feed upon our nutrition. But they are endoparasite, they are evolved to do such thing, living on some others organism and others food. But the whenever I am talking about endoparasite, there's a crazy endoparasite that I have seen in fishes, that it goes into the mouth of the fish. It attaches the mouth, the lips, the tongues of that fish, and act as the tongue of that fish. The parasite acts as a tongue, and whatever nutrition that the fish absorbs, it will get a large sum from that nutrition absorbed. It's crazy, right? But let's get back into Aschelminthus. In Aschelminthus, they are pseudocoelomate. That is, they are the only type of phylum that have false body cavity. And then, the due to the false body cavity, they are considered in pseudocoelomates. But regarding that, they are diploblastic. Similarly, they are unisexual. What does that mean? The males and the females are both separate. They are not in the same body. From the Platyhelminthes, we learned that they were hermaphrodite. But in Aschelminthes, they are not hermaphrodite but as separate sexes. Now, their body is triploblastic, having all the three dermal layer. Beside that, they are very evolutionary as well, and the males are smaller than the females. It also one of the character from that. So this is Aschelminthes. Now after that comes Annelida. Annelida is the starting phases where segmentation starts to occur. Their body is metamerically segmented and they are long, very long, and segmentation is metamerically. That is, the segmentation is not continuous but it is present, and it is sometimes soft and sometimes hard, but segmentation is still present. Now after the segmentation, the other thing that is there is that these animals are very like ectoparasite. They are feeding upon other being. The example from this is leech. You have seen leech, right? They are used for therapies nowadays, but they also contain bacteria in themselves as well. So don't do that. But leech are ectoparasite. So they feed upon the blood of organisms that are sucked upon them, like buffaloes, cattle, and various organisms that are going into the water for a short duration and coming out. They attach to them and feed upon them. Also, these type of organisms are very evolved and having a lots of leg, and some have setae, some have parapodia, and some have sucker for locomotion. These are radially symmetrical, but these are triploblastic, and these are eucoelomates. So all the dermal layer, that is mesoderm, ectoderm, and endoderm, are present there. And also these animals are unisexual. I think so. Not confirmed, but I think so. Now after knowing that, these are the characters of Annelida. Now after that comes the arthropodas. Now arthropodas are very special, and I mean it in deep way, because these are the largest phylum in the world. These contain the largest amount of animal in this world, the most amount of animal, the ant, the butterflies, and every animal that you see with appendages are in this phylum. Hence the name suggests arthropods means joints, appendages, hence they are called arthropods. The arthropods are found from the highest hills to the deepest ocean, and varieties among them is very special. They all contain antennas for their sensibility, and these have joint appendages, which due to their joint appendages they shed their molds, and after the shedding of the molds they are able to regrow their organs as well. Not organs but joint appendages, they are able to regrow them. Also, the arthropods are mostly segmented because segmentation is present on them due to their hard shell, like the tortoise, and the snail. And snail comes in mollusca, so not considering snail, but many organisms that have segmentation in them. And arthropods are very special as well. The most of the species come there, like the scorpion, which is very dangerous, but comes from his phylum. I hope you understand. Thank you.